Hi everyone, so today I'm going to go through types of numbers question. This is a really common question on the foundation paper at GCSE, and they tend to have a question where they have a list of numbers like this and they will ask you to pick out particular numbers. Okay, so I'm going to go through each one just to make sure you understand how to find out the number that links to the word. Okay, so here's our list of numbers. The first one we want to find out is a prime. So remember, a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. So I'm going to go through the list and see which ones actually have anything else that goes into them apart from themselves and 1. So 3 can only be divided by 3 and 1. So that is a prime. So I'm going to go with pink for prime today. So this is prime. Okay. 55, okay, so 55 can be divided by 5 and 11, so no, that's not prime because it's got other numbers that go into it. 31, no, that can't be divided by anything apart from 1 and itself, so that is a prime as well. 27 can be divided by 9 and 3, so it's not prime. 10 can be divided by 2 and 5, so it's not prime. And 36 can be divided by 2 and 12 and other numbers as well. Okay, so it's not prime. So I could put either of these down as my prime number. So I'm just going to pick the first one. If you pick 31, it would be correct as well. So the next one is a squared number. So a square number is a number when you times something by itself, it makes that number. So if we do that in green, so a square number, so 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. So this is 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. These here are your square numbers, okay? So I haven't got a number that's appearing in my list yet. So if I keep going, 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. 6 squared is 6 times 6, which is 36. There we go. And there's our square number. Okay, a cube number is the same idea. So a cube number is when it's got a power of 3. So 1 cubed will be 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, remember. 2 cubed is 2 times 2 times 2. Now this is where people get confused and think that the answer is 6. It isn't. It's 2 times 2, which is 4, times by 2 again is 8. Okay. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. Times by 3 again is 27. So there we go. There's our cube number. 27. Right, the last one, a multiple of 2. Remember, a multiple sounds like multiply, so it's a number that appears in the 2 times table. Okay, so remember, that's an even number, so it could be this one here or this one here, not any of those, because these are all odd numbers, aren't they? Okay, so I can pick 10 or 36, so I'm going to choose 10. Okay, so now you have a go at the other questions.